Please be sure to read all your prep instructions carefully. Here's what you need to do. First, contact your prescribing physician for instructions on insulin and blood thinners such as Plavix, Xarelto, Eliquis, Coumadin, or others. Next, stop taking herbal supplements, iron supplements, and oil-based vitamins. Stop taking all fiber supplements such as Metamucil, Citracel, Fibercon, Benefiber, and Consul. Stop taking all medicines that stop diarrhea such as Imodium, Kaopectate, and Pepto-Bismol. Do not eat salads or high-fiber foods such as nuts, seeds, and popcorn. Do not eat hard fruits and hard vegetables. Now is also a good time to arrange for a driver to take you home after the procedure. Purchase the following at your pharmacy or grocery store. Bisacodyl, MiraLAX, laxative tablets, 4 tablets. MiraLAX powder, 238 gram bottle or 2 119 gram bottles. Gatorade, 64 ounces or enough Crystal Light lemonade packets to mix with 64 ounces of any clear liquid of your choice, no red or purple colors. For people with diabetes or kidney disease, use water, Gatorade Zero or Crystal Light instead of regular Gatorade. The following are examples of clear liquids you can purchase for your prep day. Clear liquids, no red or purple. Juices, no pulp or red, purple in color. Kool-Aid, Powerade, Crystal Light, lemonade, or Gatorade, no red or purple. Broth or bouillon, beef, chicken, or vegetable flavored. Clear popsicles, no red or purple. Tea or coffee with sugar only, no milk, cream, or non-dairy products. Hard candies, clear only. Jell-O, no red or purple. Soda, no red or purple. 7-Up, Sprite, Pepsi, Coke, ginger ale, orange soda. Next, prepare a list of your medications and bring this list with you on the day of your procedure. You will receive a call the day before your colonoscopy with your arrival time for the procedure. Drink only clear liquids all day. No solid food and no alcohol. Drink at least 8 ounces of any clear liquid every hour while awake. Mix the MiraLAX powder with 64 ounces, 2 quarts, of any clear liquid of your choice. Shake well and refrigerate. At 4 p.m., take 4 Bisacodyl, MiraLAX tablets with 8 ounces of clear liquid. At 5 p.m., drink half of the MiraLAX solution. That's 4 8-ounce glasses. Try to drink 1 glass every 15 to 30 minutes. If you're too full or have nausea, stop for 20 or 30 minutes, and then start again. Refrigerate the remaining solution. Five hours prior to your arrival time, drink the second half of the MiraLAX solution. 4 8-ounce glasses. Drink 1 glass every 15 to 30 minutes until completed. You must finish it within 2 hours because all liquids must be stopped 3 hours before your arrival time. Otherwise, your procedure may be delayed or canceled. If you take morning asthma and seizure medications, you must take them with a small sip of water. Please consult our pre-admission nurse or your prescriber for all heart and blood pressure medications. Again, no solid food and no alcohol. No gum or breath mints. After your procedure, you may eat your usual diet unless otherwise instructed by your doctor. Once you have followed these instructions, you are ready for your colonoscopy. We're here to help make this the best experience it can be. You got this!